Here we have a 2000 W Reg Lotus Elise S1, brilliant silver with red interior, spotlights, red Mohair hood, Momo steering wheel, radio CD, chrome gear selector, aluminium door handles. It's got a hurricane induction kit. It's done 41,600 miles. New rear tyres. You will notice there is the odd blister in places, which it does present very nicely. The personal number plate is staying on the car, and it's attracting flies today. Car will be given a full service where it goes out, 12 months MOT, and will be supplied with our normal warranty. Comes with 2 keys, book pack, as you'd expect. Available for Alan White Sports Cars. Feel free to contact us on 01234 750 205.